Hi, this is Professor Arujo Moreno with some notes on Objective 1 in Chapter 4. So we need to manage our cash, which is why we need to use the banking system. Cash management is very, very important because you need to have a place to stash your cash. You want to make sure you're earning interest on your money and it's not just sitting in a drawer. It's very important to understand you want to maximize that. So we need to look at the banking system to help us with that cash management. So we look at checking accounts, savings accounts, money market accounts, money market mutual funds, among other things that you're going to be learning in this chapter. Exhibit 4-1 simply indicates that although we are not earning lots of interest on our money, it's much better than earning zero. And so making sure you have your cash safely stored, and I do mean safely stored, earning a return, it's better than zero, provide you with more cash in the future. One of the biggest problems with saving is where we live in a time where interest rates are exceptionally low. And so, that means that savings accounts are only earning, you know, 5/100ths of a percent interest. So every $1,000 you have at the end of the year, you'll be lucky to get $5 interest from the bank on that. So not a lot, but nonetheless, it is something that fluctuates with time and it presents unique issues. For savers, it's a big problem. For borrowers, it's wonderful. And right now we're in a situation where the borrowers, because we had a banking crisis not too long ago, are still in the driver's seat. So a lot of this is being accommodated to help them, uh, banks mostly, manage these types of things. So there's a good article on this that you need to read. Um, and I hope that that gives you an idea of understanding some of the problems with low interest rates.